How to clean the dust inside your projector. Turn on the projector and project a white background picture on the screen. It's recommended to use a USB drive or an HDMI signal source. Place the projector on a flat, stable surface with its underside facing upwards. Carefully remove the label from the bottom of the projector and then open the lid. Insert a dry cotton swab into the projector and clean the sides of the LCD screen. Make sure the cotton swab is dry and doesn't have any water droplets. While cleaning, please keep an eye on the projection surface. Gently wipe the areas with dirt or smears using the cotton swab until everything is clean. If you cannot reach a spot, try wiping the other side of the LCD screen. After cleaning, close the lid and make sure the projector is restored to its original state. For safety reasons, it is recommended that the procedure should be performed by an adult or under adult supervision. Thank you for watching.